Hello and welcome to Cooking with Rebekah. Today we're making a quick egg sandwich. This is really easy to make. I make this all the time, especially when I don't know what to eat or when I'm in a rush. So let's get right to it. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. So let's get cooking. So first, toast your bread. I toasted mine in a conventional oven. You can toast yours until it's golden brown on both sides. But for me, I toasted one side slightly darker than golden color and the other side is barely toasted, which is what I like. But you can do as you please. So my bread finished earlier than expected to. I took it out of the conventional oven and this is what it looks like. Now I'm placing it onto the plate. Then I turn on my stove to medium heat and then place my pan onto the burner. And then some oil and some butter, and then try to let the butter melt. So then while it's melting or in the pan is heating up, I decided to try to speed up the process of making the sandwich a little bit faster than usual. So I got another pan and placed it onto the other side of the burner, and I add a little bit of oil, which is I'm actually using olive oil. So I placed that onto the side of the burner, putting some oil onto that pan, and now letting that heat up. While I was doing that, the other pan is ready hot and is ready to go. So I grab my egg and I crack my egg into that pan, and then I season it with some salt and some pepper. And then I let that sit in the pan so it can start to cook. Then I add my bacon, my 2 strips of turkey bacon, to the other pan, and it's optional. I added some pepper flakes to it. You don't have to do that, which is optional. I did it because I like to add some spice to my bacon. So once that was done, I let that both of them cook. I don't want my egg to be too crispy, so I end up just flipping it over and flattening out the inside of the yolk, so the yolk can become completely cooked. And when that was done, I took out the pan and placed it onto the plate where my bread was. Then I flipped the bacon, both sides, and then make sure that thing was completely cooked, and I took that out of the pan and placed it onto the plate. So this is optional. What I did was that I wanted to make a veggie burger. So it's called kale veggie burger. You actually get this from Aldi's. It's really good. So what I did was that I take out the package and I place it onto the pan, and I each side to be crispy. So one side was crispy, then I flipped it over, gave the other side crispy. Once that was done, I took it out of the pan, placed it into the microwaves like for a minute or two, so the middle can become cooked inside, so it's not frozen. So then once that's done, now we're going to assemble our sandwich. Okay, so for the final part now, we're gonna assemble our sandwich. So what I did, I got my toasted bread. On one side, I put in some mayo. On the other side too. Also, I put mayo, and I put some ketchup. And then I placed in my veggie burger on top of one side. Then I added my egg, my bacon, and then I put in some lettuce. And I put the other bread on top of it, and there you go. You got yourself a breakfast sandwich. It was quick, easy. I enjoyed it, and I hope you guys enjoy it too. There you have it, an easy breakfast sandwich. Looks yummy as well as it tastes great. I hope you enjoyed making it as well as I did. Please comment down below, what is your favorite meal that you like to eat for breakfast? Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button and turn on notifications for more content. And with that, thanks for cooking with Rebekah.